Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been looking for a super quick and totally painless way to get started on Binance, you have definitely come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate the world's largest crypto exchange without any of the usual confusion. So let's just dive right into the sign up process. First things first, go ahead and click that official link I've left for you in the description or the pinned comment section right below this video. That will take you straight to the Binance registration page. Now, here is a little tip. If you use that specific link to sign up, you're actually going to unlock a 50% fee payback and a $600 rewards package all at once. It's a pretty huge head start, so definitely don't miss out on that. Once you're on the site, creating your account is really a breeze. Again, just use the link below the video and choose to sign up with either your email or your mobile phone. Simply type in the email you want to use, quickly check that terms and conditions box at the bottom, and go ahead and click continue. In just a moment, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Just grab that code, enter it into the boxes on your screen, click continue, and then you'll be prompted to set up a password. Remember, it needs to be at least 8 characters long with one number and one uppercase letter to keep everything safe. And just like that, your account is ready. If you see an invite or code screen, just make sure the code is filled in and finish up. All right, now that you're in, let's move on to the KYC identity verification. This is a mandatory step, and honestly, you really need to finish it to be able to deposit, withdraw, or actually trade on the platform. Since this part involves a facial scan, I find it's much faster and easier to just continue the process on your mobile phone. Go ahead and download the Binance app and log in. You should see the verification screen pop up almost immediately. First, confirm your nationality and then pick an ID to use. Whether you choose a national ID, a driver's license, or a passport, the system usually processes it in about 5 minutes. So basically, just use whatever you have within reach right now. Select Take Pictures and hit Continue. Take a clear photo of the front and the back of your ID, making sure it stays inside the camera frame. After that, just fit your face into the oval on the screen and follow the little prompts. Once that facial scan is finished, just confirm your name, birth date, and address and click Continue. Then simply select your occupation and hit Continue. And finally, pick your industry and click Continue one last time. The review takes about 5 minutes, and you can check your profile screen to see that verified checkmark. Now, before you start trading, we absolutely have to set up your two-factor authentication, or 2FA. For this part, let's head back to your PC. In the left-hand menu, click Security under the Account tab, and then look for Manage next to the Authenticator app. When you click Enable Authenticator app, Binance will send a quick code to your email or phone just to verify it's really you. Enter that code and you'll see a QR code window appear. Just leave that screen open for a second and grab your phone to download the Google Authenticator app. Open the app, tap Get Started, and for the best security, I recommend clicking Use without signing in. Tap the Add a Code button and choose Scan a QR code. Point your phone at the PC screen to scan that code, and a 6-digit Binance OTP will be generated instantly. Now go back to Binance on your PC, click Next, enter those 6 digits from the app, and hit Submit. Perfect, your Google OTP is now officially activated and your account is locked down. And there you go. You are now fully verified. If this tutorial made the process a whole lot easier for you, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button. Happy trading, everyone.